Yeah, in this session of web scraping of Amazon website for books, we're gonna see next is to how to run the code, how to run the crawler, and how to run the spider. Right. So we'll head on to our project file, which is secondary file. I will just share my screen to you. Yeah, this one. I'll just minimize this. Yeah, what we can see here is primary file, primary spider. We in the previous session, what we discussed is the code, what will be fetching in primary spider and secondary spider separately, right? We also discussed why is it essential to make items file in the previous session. In this session, we are we are going to discuss how to give the command for how to give the command to the in the terminal of each project to start the scraping of the website. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna I'm gonna explain you how to write the command. So if you can recall, we had made this spider by writing start project primary for the primary spider, and similarly for the secondary spider we wrote the same command Scrapy with start project secondary, right? In the primary one, let's see. Yeah, in the primary one, if we see in this terminal, if we see in the secondary one, if we see Scrapy start project secondary, we wrote this command, we entered this command to make a folder of spider to make a secondary folder, and in that folder spider the spider will be included, right? In this spider, we made these two files. In items file, we wrote this code, and in secondary.py file, we wrote this code for the spider, right? Similarly, we did for the primary one too, right? For the spider too. Here, what we're gonna do here is first we're gonna uh, scrape the website through primary spider. How to do it? See, what we have to do first is we have to enable the spider. How we gonna enable it? We have to write cd and the name of the spider. Spider name is here. Uh, I mean, not the name of spider. You have to write the name of the project. Spider name is unfiltered. We have to first we have to first give it a command to enable the project by mentioning the name. Right. First, we have to put the command like cd and mention the project name primary. All right. Wait a second. Primary should work, I guess. It's not working. Yeah. Yeah. What we can do is what we can do here is we have to write the command cd primary. Yeah. It has worked. It has worked here. It has enabled the project. Now we have to pass the command for running the spider, right? For running the crawler. What we can do here is after writing cd.primary, after mentioning the name of the project here, cd.primary, it asks us to uh, pass the command to run the spider for scripting the website. What we have to do here is we have to write the command. The command is like this: scrappy crawl. Scrappy crawl is gonna crawl through the website, through the items of the website, and through the multiple pages that we have mentioned in the what we say in the pagination, right? The pagination. So we have to write it like this: Scrappy crawl, and we have to mention the name of the spider here. First, we have mentioned the name of the project. Then it is asking us to mention the name of the spider or the crawler. So we gonna mention this one, Amazon books. So we have to type it here, Amazon books. The name should be the exact what we have mentioned here, Amazon books. See, AMAZONBOOKS, Amazon books. Now we have to enter hit. We have to hit the enter button here, and it will start scrolling. But before scrolling, we have to ensure that, see, the problem is we can we can hit the enter button and we can fetch the data, scrape the data, scrape the website like this. But uh, sometimes the website blocks your access if you start scraping. If it finds out that you are scraping multiple times, it it blocks your access to the website. Therefore, therefore, when you are attempting to scrape the website, you have to make sure that you are converting the fetch data into some JSON or CSV file. So here we're gonna do the same item.csv. Here is the Scrapy crawl Amazon books dash o space items.csv. Now, whatever the data will be fetched, whatever the data will be fetched will be converted into some CSV or some CSV file, because we have mentioned items.csv, right? Items dot we have to be specific. Items.csv, right? Items.csv file, and that we will be getting here in uh, this area will be the file will appear. Then we can copy paste that fetch data into some Excel file or CSV file later on. So we'll hit enter and see if it fetches the data. Now we're gonna hit the enter for the primary spider first. Let's see. So it has started. It is showing 200. So the website is crawlable. It is giving us the access to fetch the data. If it is showing 200, uh, if the if here it appears 503 or 530, then it is a sign that the website is blocking us from accessing the data. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it is. We can see here it is scraping the data. Let's see the final result. Yeah, it has scraped the data. It has finished scraping the data. Here we can see the CSV file has appeared. If you double click on this, you can see the data. We can simply copy this. We can simply copy this and open an Excel file. Open an Excel file here. Right. And we have to paste it here. I'll just change the font color, right? And I will just uh, put it in a proper way. Delimited, comma, next, finish. So it is in a very tabular format. Just delete this because this is of no use for our data right now. Yeah, the proper data has been fetched. Similarly, what we're gonna do here is we did this for the primary spider. Primary, right. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna head on to secondary spider. In secondary spider, if we can see that, if you are able to see that the project name is secondary, and the spider name is book scraping spider. So we all know what we have to do to begin with scraping. We have to first mention the project name CD as ECO for secondary. we have to be very alert while putting the name of the project. Scondary. Secondary. Hit enter. Yeah, it is working. Now we have to mention the name of the spider. Scrapy, crawl, book, scraping spider. So book, scraping, spider. Book, scraping spider. Now we can hit enter. What we have done here is, I will explain you again, that first we gave it a command to enable the project. To enable the project, it detects the project, it determines the project, and then it asks us for the crawler. Then it asks for the crawler to name the crawler. So we give it a command like scrapy crawl, okay, scrapy, that we are saying scrapy, please make my this spider that we are mentioning here, book scraping spider, crawl through the website pages that we have mentioned here. Right. Then we will hit enter. Before hitting enter, we have to make sure that we mention the complete command, complete snippet to convert the fetch data into CSV file, because we can attempt multiple times scraping, but after few attempts, the website may block us from scraping for some time, right? Later on, it enables us to scrape, but we don't want that to happen. We just making sure that on the first attempt we are scraping the whole data and saving it into the CSV format. We'll just hit the enter button. Let's see. Yeah, it has started. The indications are that everything is going well. That see, 200 is showing that everything is going well. The data is being scraped. If it shows 530 or 503, that means the website is blocking us from scraping the data from it. Right. It is scraping well. Everything is going well till now. Let's see. Fishing page number 2. That means we are on page number 2 still. Let's see if it has entered. We are on page number 5 right now. Yes. It will scrape for first 10 pages for primary and for secondary one too. For the secondary too, and for the primary also it will scrape data till the page number 10. So let's see what page number we have reached. Yeah, page number 10. We are on page number 10. This is about to end and complete the scripting. Yeah, we are done with the scripting. Now we should be able to see, yeah, CSV file, items of CSV file. This is the fetch data in the CSV format. We have to select it all, copy it, and then we have to make a new file. This one. In this we have to paste it here. CSV format. Then we have to change it to black font. Then we have to arrange it well. Data, text columns. Wait a second. I'll just arrange this. Yeah, this one delimited. Yeah, comma. Done. We have scraped the data in the proper way and we have arranged it well. So we should name this because this was from the second spider. So we're gonna name this data as secondary. Secondary. Uh, okay, I named first one secondary spider. And name this as secondary spider is spider. Yeah. Now we are done with scraping the complete data. Yeah. I guess no. I'm sure that we are done with scraping the data. Yeah. One thing I would like to tell you that I have learned this from uh, YouTube channel. I'll show you the YouTube channel here. you can just simply call it as or type here as Scrapy tutorial. There is a small playlist. It explains you the the complete the complete tutorial. It explains the complete uh, complete way of uh, using the Scrapy files. Yeah, yeah. This one is the tutorial. It has 25 videos. It has 25 videos. I have paused them all to learn the Scrapy from here. Right? How to use Scrapy for scraping the websites. What you can do here is, if you know the basics of Python, you can just skip one, two, three videos from the start. You can start on with the fourth video. Then after fourth video, what you have to do here is you have to, if you are comfortable with CSV file, then you can just learn storing it into the CSV file, right? You have to just learn three from fourth video till 13th video. You have to just do videos from 4th to 13th. It will be enough for you to learn the Scrapy. And then what you have to do is uh, you have to start learning the you have to start learning from 19th to 19 to 20, 19 and 20 videos. So basically what you're learning here is the essential videos are fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10, 11, 12, 13. 10 videos. 10 videos. You need not learn 14th, 15th. Then from 13th video, directly jump to uh, this one, 19th and 20th video. This will be enough for you to learn the videos. I mean to learn the Scrapy tool in Python. First, web scraping, right? This will be enough for you to learn the scraping. So this was all about my project on scraping. So this was all about my project in scraping, how I fetched the data from Amazon website. Uh, and I have also mentioned the YouTube video from YouTube playlist from where I have learned to use Scrapy tool, Scrapy library for scraping the websites. Thank you.